one of the most important thing in successful execution of large-scale commercial manufacturing is that the technology transfer document should have all the adequate information in terms of both safety as well as quality. In terms of safety, it should include information for the process safety information, the process risk analysis, and also it should include information like the scale-up studies done using simulation software, the material of construction compatibility. In terms of quality, it should include areas of cleaning, the critical process parameters, which can then be captured in the batch manufacturing record. Having all this information will ensure that any out of specification of out of trend results will be eliminated. So that is why it is very important to have a robust technology transfer document transferred to the manufacturing facility before any batches are scaled up. The CDMO market is growing at a rate which is far greater than the pharmaceutical in-house manufacturing. And I feel one of the reasons for this is the capability, capacity, and the cost benefits that the pharma and the biotech companies are able to leverage using the CDMOs rather than in-house manufacturing. One of the trends which is noticed is that the CDMOs are investing heavily in capacity enhancement, especially in areas where there is a bottleneck. They are also investing in areas like automation, putting in the distributed control system where earlier on there was a manual recording of the parameters, going in for electronic batch records rather than the manual records. It is also noticed that the small and the medium pharma and biotech companies are more going in for outsourcing rather than the big pharma manufacturing companies. This is because the small and the medium pharma companies take the advantage that some of the capabilities which they do not have in-house, they can leverage it from the external partners. The big pharma companies are going in for consolidation of suppliers, and one of the key strategy and driver for this is to reduce the complexity of having so many different suppliers. Today, many pharma and biotech companies are not looking at external vendors or external CDMO partners based on only their manufacturing expertise. They want a partner who can be along with them in the journey of discovery, development, and finally commercialization. Syngene is viewed as a one-stop shop by its partners because we can do a lot of other things apart from manufacturing. Syngene has got a very strong base in discovery, analytical services, and also in terms of quality and regulatory aspects. So, right from discovery to target identification to first in humans to the commercial manufacturing when these molecules become successful in the phase 2 and the phase 3 trials, Syngene is considered as a partner who can be relied upon to deliver commercial products. Based on this, Syngene has invested in a manufacturing facility at Mangalore. And with this facility, and along with the current manufacturing facility that is available in the Bangalore site, Syngene can manufacture products from a few kilograms going up to hundreds of kilograms. So this is one of the biggest advantage which we have, because not only we have equipments of different sizes, we have got equipments of different material of constructions like stainless steel 316L, Hastelloy, and glass line reactors. This is one of the biggest advantage to any partners that we can offer.